Welcome back again to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today we are making this popular street food, that is your Gari, also known as Gob3. So guys, let's get started. Into the pot, I'll go in with my beans which I have soaked for an hour. I will also add some onions, then some water, and then put this on the fire. Okay guys, so after 40 minutes I'll give this a quick stir, and as you can see our beans is almost done. I will just add some salt and also a little bit of water, and then let this be on the fire. So this is going to be on the fire until the sauce around the beans get thickened up. And after 20 minutes our beans is well cooked, and I will just take this off from the fire. Next is to fry my plantain, and my oil is already heated, so I'm dropping the ripe plantain into the oil gently. After 10 minutes, I will flip for the other side to also fry it very well. While turning, I want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video, leaving a comment under my post. I do appreciate you all. Thank you so much, and God bless you for the love you have shown me. To my new subscriber, you are welcome. Okay guys, so our plantain is well fried. Just look at this beautiful golden color. I'll just take it off from the oil and let it rest on the paper towel to soak the excess oil. So you can also follow me on all social media handles. The name is Getty Cooks, and I'll be very grateful. Subscription is free, you don't need to pay any amount. So after that the next is for me to heat up my oil. I will add some onion and let it fry for some few minutes. Alright, so guys, are you still watching up to this time? If you are, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. So after that, we go ahead and serve our beans. Alright guys, so after serving, this is our beans and Gari with plantain. This was easy and quick and delicious as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up, like and share this video. Till then, see you guys in my next one. Bye.